Kitten eye color is one of the most fascinating aspects of feline development. Initially, kittens are born with blue eyes due to a lack of pigment. As they grow, melanin production increases, leading to changes in eye color. This typically occurs around 6 to 8 weeks of age when their true eye color begins to emerge. The final eye color can vary, influenced by genetics and the presence of specific pigments. Some kittens may retain blue eyes, while others develop shades of green, amber, or even gold. Understanding this process not only highlights the beauty of our feline companions, but also showcases the complexity of genetic traits in animals.